learners! It's Mango Kids TV!
Learn, play, smile!
Hello, super learners! Today we are learning letters G to L.
Ready to learn? Let's go!
This is the letter G. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G is for guitar. G is for gorilla. G is for globe. This is the letter H. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for house. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for insect. I is for island. I is for iron. I is for ink. This is the letter J. J is for jelly. J is for Jeep. J is for juice. J is for jaguar.
Wow, a jaguar!
Is for jacket.
I like the jacket.
This is the letter K.
K.
K is for kite.
Wow!
K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for king. K is for koala. This is the letter L. L is for lion.
Roar!
L is for lemon. L is for lamp. L is for leaf. L is for ladder. L is for lollipop. Wow, you did an amazing job learning letters G to L.
Yeah!
Let's say them one more time.
Great job, super learners!
Super learners shine bright.
Tap subscribe and keep learning with us!